How to use a Subway gift card on DoorDash. So if you've been wondering how you can use a Subway gift card on DoorDash, now you have a Subway gift card, you've been thinking that you would like to use them on DoorDash. So first of all, let us explore the possible options. Here we are on DoorDash.com and I'm logged into my account. From the bottom left, I could simply go to the option that says account as you can see here. And from here, I could go to the option that says payment. Once I go to payments and you're under payment method, you scroll down and here you have this option called have a gift card redeem now. But however, this redeem now option is only exclusive to DoorDash gift cards and not a Subway or other form of gift card. Now, in some cases, your Taco Bell gift card would have been a Visa gift card, but unfortunately, Subway gift card is not associated with Visa gift cards in any way. If it was a Visa gift card, which means a Visa Subway gift card to be precise, then you would be able to use it by adding it as a normal payment method under DoorDash by using the credit or debit card option and adding it as normally as any of the other cards, and then you'll be able to use your Subway gift card. But unfortunately, it is also not a Visa gift card. So currently, we do not have any solution for this type of thing where you want to redeem and use your Subway gift card by using any of these options. I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.